Thank you very much. I'd just like to say, I'd like to thank the IFTA because I'm sitting at a table with Brendan and Seamus Deasy, two legends of Irish filmmaking, and what a thrill that is. I said earlier, we set out to make a story about a guy finding a new language, and it ended up being a new voice for the Irish language. And I think he should do the talking, okay? So, Justin, fair play.
Thanks. Actually, thanks very much. It's nice to get two, actually, because I was nominated 3 times before I got fuck all, so this is nice. Wasting my time coming to this bullshit, but it's nice to get something. You know, for the In Our Dreams millions of viewers that are watching out there, just to say that I forgot somebody really important. Dara Devani wrote the lyrics for Lame Heart, which has gone down well with the young people. And I wore a red bow tie today, which, by the way, I'd like to thank YouTube because they show you how to tie it proper. This is not, you know, this is a proper one. But I wore it in support of the Cork players who are in the middle of a tragedy because they're not allowed to play this year. So just to let you know where my loyalties lie, I'm with the lads. This is my Sean Oak moment. Gurmila Malgus.